The loan estimate is a very important document that lenders give to borrowers that basically gives you an overview of the loan that you're taking out. So it consists of really three different parts, but in summary, really it's just an estimation of monthly payment and your fees for actually obtaining the loan with said lender. It basically goes over how much you pay and what it actually costs to take out the loan. And you'll get a couple different loan estimates throughout the process. When you lock your interest rate in, when you get an appraisal back, or if there's any changes to the loan program in terms of terms or down payment, you'll also receive a loan estimate. Now, the loan estimate is an estimate of fees. It's nothing that's concrete. It's fairly accurate in terms of your cash to close, but it's never going to be 100% accurate. Now, once you get further into the process, you'll get what's called a closing disclosure. Usually, that has to be sent out 3 days before you actually purchase the home. That's going to be the most concrete in terms of your actual cash to close. Now, again, the loan estimate is really just an estimate of your fees, but it is fairly accurate. Okay. Now, again, it's consisted of three different parts. So the first part is more of just the basic. It consists of your basic information, the subject property, the borrower, the lender, and all that kind of stuff. Who's actually involved in the transaction. Within the first part is also your principal interest, your taxes, insurance, and any mortgage insurance that you pay. It also will tell you if there are any prepayment penalties, if that's applicable, or if there's a balloon payment. Again, it's just an overview of your monthly payment. The second part is going into your itemization, your fees, really. So the fees to actually to obtain the home itself. So there are a couple different sections in here. You'll have title fees, origination fees, appraisal fees. You'll have your prepaids for taxes and insurance, homeowners insurance, and real estate taxes. And then any transfer fees that you'd have depending on the state that you live in, and a couple other things, surveys, stuff like that. And then finally, the third part is really your comparisons. It shows your total interest payment over the life of the loan. How much will you have paid off in the next 5 years, and then you really just other comparable small details that you can use just to get a good overview of the loan estimate and your loan itself. So if you have any questions about the loan estimate, please give me a call. It's a very important document that all lenders give out to their borrowers, but please let me know.